We're getting started here, adding a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk into our saucepan, and I can hear that sizzle. This is going to be delicious. While that is heating up, I am taking 12 ounces of chocolate chips and placing them right inside the sweetened condensed milk. You'll go ahead and stir that up consistently until that chocolate is totally melted in with that milk. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It looks creamy and I can smell the chocolate. So it looks like we have that chocolate and that condensed milk mixed together and it is seeming delicious. Okay, so we are gonna grab some marshmallow fluff and I'm gonna take about 2 big hopping spoonfuls of marshmallow fluff right out of here and placing it right in with our chocolate mixture. Then you'll go in and all you're gonna do is you're gonna fold that marshmallow fluff in with the chocolate and the condensed milk. Yeah, baby, that is what I'm talking about. Ooh, 3 ingredient fudge, here we come. Marshmallow fluff, chocolate chips, and some sweetened condensed milk. And this is going to literally blow your socks off. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat this. Now that I got a little bit of an arm workout and everything is mixed together, we're just gonna come right over here and we're gonna dump it right inside of our little pan. Now I did already line this with parchment paper, but look at the way that chocolate just drizzles right out of there. Oh, that looks so good. Look at how creamy that is. This perfect consistency. Like I said, we're only working with 3 ingredients, the chocolate chips, the marshmallow fluff, and the condensed milk. Look at that. I'm just gonna use my clean hands here and I'm gonna get all of that chocolate off the spatula. I do not want to waste any bit of that. Right away, you're gonna start to smooth it all out right on top of the parchment paper. Just move slow and patient. It is definitely worth it. Take your time and spread it all out. That is what I'm talking about, you guys. Super easy. You know that is my style. So I'm gonna kind of keep it plain Jane. I'm gonna come in with some coarse sea salt here. Let's see, I'm just gonna pour it right into my hand. And I'm just gonna sprinkle that right on top. Now, of course, you can add whatever you want. I don't know, pretzels, nuts, what is it gonna be? I wanna know in the comments, how are you jazzing up this 3 ingredient fudge? I'm just throwing on some sea salt, just like that. And I think that's gonna be good. I'm gonna use my hands here and just kind of push in some of that salt, make sure it gets all down in there and it stays. Okay, that looks great. Now check this out. We are just gonna let this sit. I think I'm gonna throw it in the fridge so it just sets up nice and fast because I wanna slide a knife through this and I wanna show you guys how creamy and how tasty and how easy this 3 ingredient fudge is. You're gonna love it. Yes, 3 ingredient fudge, let's go. That looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to sink my teeth into it. If you pull up with the parchment paper, you'll see that you can just peel it right back. Look at that consistency. Everything looks really soft and delicious. I'm gonna cut myself a little square right here in the front. Look at the way that my knife is just sliding through that chocolate. I know that this is gonna be light and fluffy and so tasty. I love whipping this stuff together. Look at that. How perfect is that? 3 ingredients, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. You guys could add anything you want to this, but let's go ahead, let's give it a try. This tops the charts, you guys. You have to try this. If you haven't, you're gonna love it. If you hate marshmallow, don't worry. It doesn't even taste like marshmallow. It just makes it fluffy. The consistency is absolutely perfect. The sweetness is perfect and the easiness is perfect. Let me know if you guys are throwing anything into this delicious fudge and we'll see you guys later. Enjoy.